Okay, so assuming you are new, right, we're gonna need to add an ad account. So again, you come over to here to click add an ad account. I can't do anymore, so I can't really walk you through this. You can always request access to an ad account. Again, that's for like other businesses controlling your Facebook, but essentially you just want to add an ad account and go through the prompts because you have two things. You have a business Facebook ads manager, which is this platform, and then you have an ad account under that business manager, and that ad account is where you're running ads through. So once again, we don't want to do everything through our personal, which is down here, this one. We have to create business manager accounts and ad accounts within them. Otherwise, huge no, really big liability, because if anything gets shut down, you're like banned. So we don't want to do that. So go in here and create your ad account. You're going to get this little ID number. We'll do pixels and stuff in a second. And then you're going to want to make sure that people are added as well. As you can see down here, you can type in their name. So if there's a name, so this is like Caroline Eklund, that was when I added myself in the people, which is showing up down here. And you want to give yourself all access to everything it asks. You're not going to actually worry about this one or business asset groups, apps. The next one is going into Instagram accounts. Go connect your Instagram account now, right? Obviously, you need a business or creator Instagram page. You're not going to be doing this through your personal page. You can't run ads through there. So I'm assuming everyone has a business IG account. If you don't have Instagram, no big deal. But if you do have Instagram and you get a lot of engagement through there, it's really important to connect your Instagram account, because when you go to create ads through this platform, it'll actually automatically run on Instagram through your Instagram account unless you specifically tell Facebook, no, only keep it to Facebook platform, right? So definitely run to Instagram. We'll talk about like compliance and ratios and stuff like that in a second. Commerce accounts, you're not going to need this unless you are selling e-commerce, so like physical products. If you're setting up a store, so if you're like a jewelry company or clothing company, product-based company, then you can open a commerce account where then you can on your business page sell physical product, which is really cool. This does not work for us digital creators, right? You cannot sell courses or ebooks or anything like that. It has to be a physical product. Trust me, I tried and it didn't work. Line of business and WhatsApp, we're not going to go over those either. So that's all in your accounts. Data sources. We're not going to worry about catalogs. It should, again, this is like a catalog meaning commerce. So you're not going to do that. But the next one is your pixels. So this one doesn't have pixels because it's not set up yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So with you, which is nice. My other one has pixels. So what you do is connect website activity using a pixel. So essentially what you're going to do, so you're going to check your website. But my pixel's already set up on my website. So it probably is going to default to my other pixel. And then you're going to come here. So continue managing my business, which is setting up your pixel letter, or you can set your pixel up now. So this is where you might need tech help with this, because you do have to manually add a pixel code to your website. Or what you can do is you can email me your code, or you can copy your code and you can come on the weekly Q&As and I can walk you through and help you manually add your pixel code, right? So that's like pretty cool. So when you manually add it, it's going to get this long form pixel, in which case you put it in the back end of your website. I'm not going to show you that now. I already have a pixel set up. I can show you that in a different video, but the best thing for you, if you don't know how to install the pixel in the head tag of your website, is to just come on our weekly Q&As, have your pixel ready, have your website open, and I'll walk you through how to do it. Okay, that is it for now. Thanks, everyone. I'll talk to you soon.